Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how we can easily validate our API response data using ReadyAPI's Smart Assertion. The Smart Assertion in ReadyAPI allows users to create just one assertion that will check either message content or metadata, such as headers, status codes, and parameters. The main benefit of the Smart Assertion is that it allows users to validate multiple fields within a response with just one assertion. In this example, we can begin by entering in some values into our parameters, sending a request, and receiving our response on the right-hand side. Now, just over the response, we can select the Smart Assertion, and this will open up a window which shows us all of our message content and all of the fields from the response. So we can either create a Smart Assertion for the message content or for the metadata returned in the response, such as headers, status codes, parameters. Now I'm going to go back and create a Smart Assertion for message content. And when we look at this example here, we can choose what fields we want to have active. So if there are certain fields that we don't want to validate in the response, we can disable them here, such as the price and status. I'm going to disable those two. We can then choose whether we want to look for the exact values in the response. So for instance, we can leave these at equals and we can change the conditions if we need. For the description, we could change this and select that we want to just validate the existence of this field. And I'll do the same for the created and modified dates or fields as well. Now we could also change and add one more. So for the image, we might want to change this and just make sure it contains iPhone within the image or file name. And once we have all of our conditions met, we know that we have all of the fields active that we need to. We can just save our Smart Assertion here. And if we open up the assertion section on the bottom of the screen, we can now see we have our Smart Assertion added. So if we run this now, again, we get the same response. It's working as expected. If we change this, we can now see the response has changed. Some of the fields have changed. And the Smart Assertion will now show us all of the fields that have failed in our Smart Assertion. So again, the main benefit of the Smart Assertion is that it'll allow us to create just one assertion or one validation that'll be able to check for multiple fields within our response. Thank you for watching.